India has a rich tradition of folk art through the centuries' history. One such art among these is Warli art. This beautiful folk art originates from the Northern Sahyadri range in Maharashtra, traditionally practiced by tribal women. This art was first explored in the early 70s. From then, it was named as Warli art. Tribal people express themselves in vivid styles through paintings, which they execute on the walls of their house. The most important aspect of Warli art is it doesn't depict mythological characters or images of deities, but depicts social life. Warli painting beautifully executes loose rhythmic patterns with pictures of human beings and animals in daily life scenes such as hunting, dancing, sowing, and harvesting. The growing popularity and commercialization of the Warli painting has seen the uplift of many tribes. Penkraft is hereby presenting you an opportunity to learn Warli art form online from the comfort of your home at the time of your choice at your own pace. In this course, you will get to learn from basic to advanced levels of Warli painting and on different types of mediums. For more information, please call us at 99674 55588 or visit us at www.penkraftonline.in.